gonna open my Ring Doorbell security app.
Howdy, I recorded 5 delivery men, 8 dogs being walked, lots of cars passing by, the 2 political campaigners, you stand away, and what you said about them in your living room.
Wait, what?
I said I recorded the conversation in your living room. You said they are annoying agents of evil.
How on earth did you record that?
Oh, I can hear conversations from 30 feet away.
Is there a way to turn this off?
You can turn off audio recording, but honey, there are probably lots of things you need to do to make these cameras safer. Put them on an isolated Wi-Fi network, turn on end-to-end encryption, set up strong 2FA, maybe just opt for a more private setup altogether.
Do you have recommendations for better setups?
Y'all go watch MBTV. They have some great videos on how to live modern, privacy-conscious lifestyle.